Hello people of the soil. Today I am so excited because I have Puma Fenty here to unbox, and it's the Puma Fenty Phatty, as in P-H-A-T-T-Y. It's giving very Y2K vibes and like streetwear vibes, but also very casual. It's just so cool and chic and cute at the same time. So I am very excited to show you the shoe that I got today. And recently Rihanna has been dropping a lot of new shoes with Puma. The most recent one I believe is the Avanti, but I do love these fatty creepers more. I got a very neutral color tone today and I'm so excited to show you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and review these shoes. We have, first of all, holding it upside down, but the box right here, it's Fenty, very glossy, and Puma on the side. It's a matte black box, very good quality to store your shoes in, which what I love about Fenty is that they just are very versatile and also very conscientious of packaging as well. So right here you have also a shoebox ring hole right here, and it's very convenient. If you stack these shoes up and you want to grab it, you can just pull it out. For the sizing, I got a US woman size 7. Centimeters is 235, European 37.5, UK 4.5 centimeters. I'm usually 235, so I feel like that's why this is pretty true to size to me. For the name of these, it's the Creeper Fatty Nubuck Woman's and Colorway Warm White Puma Gold Gum. I also got these on Urban Outfitters. I'm not too sure if they are in stock still, but I know that the new ones are in stock, but they should be retailing at a lot of other places as well, like Nordstrom's. So you can go ahead and check it out online. I'm gonna open the box right now. Here it is on the inside. It comes with a little dust bag, which I love. When you travel, you can put in your shoe in this little velvet dust bag. It has satin drawstrings for you to pull, and then it just comes together. Very nice storage and way to keep your shoes clean as well. Tissue paper. It says Fenty. And here are the shoes. It's a very white oatmeal color. I wouldn't say pure white, and I wouldn't also say off-white, but it has a bit more beige grayish undertone. So I do think that it gives such a cute like neutral tone to it, and you can just match it with a lot of different outfits. Very versatile and super chic, super cute. And of course it's in the very classic creeper kind of silhouette. The most prominent thing that is different are the shoelaces on this shoe. So for the regular creeper, it's a thinner shoelace, but for this one, a little bit fatter, thicker shoelaces, hence fatty. And also, if you notice the tongue, it has a sort of cushion to it. It's very cushiony, so it gives a very elevated pillow-like 3D pop to the shoe. It's also cushioned throughout the whole tongue right here, and then it kind of flares out on the top. It just gives a bit more dimension to the shoe, and I love how they imprinted Fenty on here. And also, one of my favorite thing about this shoe is the nubuck material. I'm not too sure if you will pick up on camera, but if you touch it, it has a very soft feel to it. It's finer than suede because it is on the opposite side of the hide that they use this fabric with, and it's just very fine grain and it feels so soft to touch. But the thing is that it might get dirty pretty easily, and as you know, suede is super hard to clean. So I suggest if you do care about keeping these in very pristine condition, that you wear these maybe on an indoors day, or if you just don't care, you can just wear them wherever. But just know that it might be difficult to clean these shoes. You might have to do like dry cleaning if you want to take care of them good. And also, I love the little touches of gold on the shoe. The Puma is in a foil, and then back here, F for Fenty is also in a gold foil. The inner soles has Fenty imprinted inside, and then the bottom sole right here, it has ridges all along the side. It's in the kind of gum material that is very good and hard plastic. And here is the bottom of the shoe, Puma, and then we have the ridges for friction. And then finally, I love all of the shoelace tips because it also says Fenty on it. And I just love all of the little details that Rihanna puts into the Puma Fenty shoes. I seriously think that the Puma Fenty line is all underrated. I don't know why it's not more popular, but every time I wear her shoes, I do get compliments on them, and I do have quite a few from her collection. So if you all are interested in seeing it, please let me know. I can do a whole Puma Fenty shoe collection. Lastly, these shoelaces come in a different color as well. We have these in pure white. So if you do want some contrast with the shoe, you can put these shoelaces on. And as you can see, this is a more pure white color, and then against the shoe, this is how it is. So I would say that it's more of an oatmeal color, not really white, but by itself, it is a really cute nude shoe. So my preference is I like the tone-on-tone shoelaces rather than the white contrast. But if you do want to just give another pop of color to the shoe, you can change the laces out and then make it your own unique style. And yeah, that is it for today. If you want to see my whole Puma Fenty collection, please let me know in the comments down below, and I will be sure to feature all of them. There are so many. And also, if you have any questions on this shoe, if you want me to review another shoe, let me know, and I'll be sure to respond to your questions as soon as I can. And until next time, bye.